Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn a very simple and healthy topic, morning walk. So let's begin. Morning walk is a very healthy habit. It keeps our body fresh and active. The air in the morning is clean and cool. People enjoy walking in parks and on roads. Birds chirp in the morning, which makes the walk pleasant. Morning walk improves our mood and energy. It also helps us to stay fit and strong. Doctors also advise morning walk for good health. It makes our mind peaceful and active for studies. We should make morning walk a part of our daily routine. So students, morning walk is not just exercise, it is a gift for our health and mind. I hope you found this essay helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye.